What's up, everybody? Welcome to SHARKNOMZ, where we eat random foods and we tell you about it. We go to the grocery store and say, let's find the weirdest thing we can and let's eat it. Today's weird is brought to you by Kaleidos. These are Kroger brand.
It's like super generic, though. I don't know how to feel about this one.
Well, so first of all, it's spelled like kaleidoscope, so it's supposed to... That's weird from back here. Well, why kaleidoscope cookies? And then you read closer, raspberry cream, which actually I didn't notice before this. That doesn't sound good. But we got them because it says with popping candy. So there are Pop Rocks in these cookies.
Because what do you need in a cookie? Pop Rocks.
I don't know how. I mean, listen, I like raspberries. I'm not sure if I like raspberry cookies. I'm sure.
I mean, I feel like strawberry would have been safer. Like, okay, we're going to do this weird thing with Pop Rocks. Let's make it just a flavor everybody can palate.
Well, I was about to ask the question, did they do multiple flavors? But I'm guessing not, because I don't know if you noticed also, but they were super marked down. All right, hold on. Smell test. They smell like Fig Newtons.
Yeah, you can really smell the raspberry in them.
They smell like they smell like figgies. Deep. Okay. Okay, well, really hard to get out of there.
Not kid friendly.
Ooh. Hold on. So, raspberry cream. So it is like...
They're like vanilla Oreos.
Get you one. Get you vanilla Oreos with Pop Rocks in them. You know, my dad told me that when he was a kid, back in the early 70s, late 60s, someone gave him Pop Rocks at the pool, at the swimming pool, at the public pool, and he thought the guy had given him drugs. He almost started crying. I don't really want to eat this.
I mean, you could do it.
Okay.
It looks like birthday cake filling. Like, you know, like the birthday cake flavor where it has sprinkles in it? Like, that's what it looks like.
No, I have no idea what you're talking about. Go.
YouTube knows. Ew.
What?
Are you getting like a poppy thing?
Now I am that I've swallowed. It's happening on the butt.
Oh!
It hit late. You have to swallow before it. It's happening back here. It's not happening. It's happening back here. I don't know if I can finish this.
My mouth is just popping.
This doesn't belong together. Like,
I'm scared.
it's like white Oreos. It's white. It's vanilla Oreos with Pop Rocks in it. Like, I could.
Weird raspberry flavor. I don't like the raspberry at all.
If I would have known it was like this, I would have bought vanilla Oreos, dipped them in Pop Rocks, and then ate them. It's what this is.
But why would you do that?
It's really weird. You bite it and it's like, okay, it just tastes like a cheap cookie. And then once you start chewing and swallow, like...
Fireworks.
Yeah. I don't think I'll have another.
All I can hear in the back of my mouth is just pop, 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 pop.
This makes me wish I had kids, because I would feed them to them and not tell them what's coming. And once they swallowed them, they'd be like...
Dad, what is this?
It feels like drugs, because, like, it's a... Gosh, I feel it right in the back of my throat.
What if we eat just the cream out of it? How would that turn out?
Well, God, now I've got to... Now we've got to do it. I did not want to eat
You
another
gotta eat
one.
like a proper Oreo.
No, I mean, look, I'm assuming these colorful dots in the cream are the Pop Rocks.
Yeah.
So we're about to get no cookie and all cream Pop Rocks. You hear that? What? It popped. It popped before it went in my mouth. I didn't know it was possible.
Did you bite into them?
I guess. This is not fun. Listen, I've said this before on SHARKNOMZ. We thought we were going to be super swimming in snacks at the house. We're not snack people, but I thought, hey, for once we'll have snacks laying around when we do SHARKNOMZ. We have not bought anything that I want to eat. I guess I'm not going to put that back in the cookies. This is trash. Dispose of that.
See, I like Pop Rocks though. The experience is just unlike anything else.
Yeah, but not with cookies. I'm going to say thumbs down. Are you really about to thumbs up?
No.
No.
But I don't know how to feel about it.
Like, thumb sideways?
The cookies are trash. Cookies are terrible.
Yeah, they're not great.
I mean, I feel like done well, it could be a cool concept. Like, if Oreo was like, you know what, we're going to do this and make this good.
So if you think they weren't Kroger brand and they were Oreo, they'd be all right.
They could be.
That's interesting. Because, like, most things that are Kroger brand, actual manufacturers make it for them and then just water down their good version, and that's how they get a cheaper version.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that happens with Oreos. I don't know who makes Kroger's cheap cookies. But, like, a lot of expensive spaghetti sauces, they'll put water in it and then sell a cheaper version at Kroger. I'm going with thumbs down.
Yeah. I don't know even if Oreo makes them, I don't know if I'd buy them. I'd buy it for my kids, but I would not buy it for myself.
Terrible idea. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with us. If you liked what you saw, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Hey, I'm a shark with a top hat, and I think you should subscribe. Go ahead, hit the button. I'll wait. Okay, bye.